Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Physics Past Question 17. The density of a certain oil on frying becomes 0.4 kg per meter cube with a volume of 20 meter cube. What will be its initial volume when the initial density is 0.8 kg per meter cube, assuming no loss of oil due to spillage? A. 10 meter cube, B. 5 meter cube, C. 8 meter cube, D. 12 meter cube. So we are looking at density, and density is equal to mass over volume. Now for this question, you are working with initial density. Okay, so initial density is equal to 0.8 kg per meter cube. You are looking for the initial volume. So the initial volume is what you are looking for, which is unknown. Then you also have the final density given to you in the question. The final density is 0.4 kg per meter cube, and lastly you have the final volume also given to you in the question as 20 meter cube. Now you have complete set of values for final density and final volume. So to solve this question, you will find the mass of the oil and then substitute the value of mass in this same formula using the initial density to find the initial volume. So let's solve that to see what it would look like. Now, like we said, we'll use the final density, which is 0.4 kg per meter cube. We're looking for mass, and then the initial volume, the final volume rather, is 20 meter cube. So mass is equal to 0.4 times 20, which is equal to 8 kg. So that is the mass of the oil. Now, to find initial volume, okay, still using this formula but making initial volume subject of the formula, initial volume is equal to mass over the initial density. And you have those values. So 8 kg divided by 0.8 kg per meter cube, and that is equal to 10 meter cube. 10 meter cube is option A. So 10 meter cube is the initial volume of the oil. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.